Nest cams going offline is a common problem. It's usually due to Wi-Fi issues, power problems, or software glitches. Weak Wi-Fi signal, router compatibility issues, especially with Wi-Fi 6E and mesh networks, power outages, low battery for battery models, and outdated firmware can all cause your Nest Cam to disconnect. Google's Nest app v5.4 includes an AI-powered diagnostic tool to help pinpoint the cause, but understanding the fundamentals is key to long-term solutions. Nest cams rely on a stable Wi-Fi connection using 802.11 standards. These standards define how wireless devices communicate with routers and access points. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, below -60 decibels per milliwatt, the camera will likely disconnect. Weak signals occur when the camera is too far from the router or when there are physical obstacles blocking the signal. Interference from other devices on the same frequency can also cause the camera to go offline. This happens when multiple devices compete for bandwidth on crowded networks. Try switching to the 2.4 GHz band on your router for better range. This band has longer wavelengths that travel further and penetrate walls better than the faster 5 GHz band. Consider using a Google Nest Wi-Fi router for optimized performance. These routers are specifically designed to work seamlessly with Nest devices and provide better coverage throughout your home. Ensure your router firmware is up to date. Manufacturers regularly release updates that fix connectivity issues and improve compatibility with smart devices like Nest cams. Avoid placing the camera too far from the router. Physical distance weakens the signal, so position the camera closer to your router whenever possible for a stronger connection. Using a Wi-Fi analyzer app can help identify congestion on your network. These apps show which channels are crowded and suggest better frequencies to use for your devices. Wired Nest cams require a consistent 5 volts USB power supply to function properly. Power surges or loose connections can interrupt this power, causing the camera to go offline. Battery-powered models, like the Nest Cam battery, will disconnect when the battery level drops too low, conserving energy. To prevent offline issues, ensure the camera is properly charged. Consider using a solar panel charger for continuous power, and regularly check the Nest app's device health dashboard to monitor battery levels. Outdated firmware can cause a variety of issues, including connectivity problems. Ensure that your Nest Cam and the Nest app are updated to the latest versions. You can manually check for firmware updates in the Nest app's settings. Go to Settings, then Device, and select Update. Recent updates have included patches for IPv6 compatibility and auto-reconnect features using machine learning to prevent disconnections. First, power cycle the camera by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection and signal strength. Then, update the Nest app and camera firmware. Resetting the camera's network settings within the app and repairing it can resolve router conflicts. If problems persist, inspect the camera for physical damage. Google support says power cycling solves 70% of temporary issues. For more complex network issues, consider isolating your Nest Cam on a dedicated VLAN or setting a static IP address for the camera. These advanced configurations can help prevent conflicts with other devices on your network. Consider isolating your Nest Cam on a dedicated VLAN or setting a static IP address for the camera. If you're using a mesh network, ensure that the camera is connecting to the closest node with the strongest signal. Some routers, especially ASUS and Netgear, have had compatibility issues. Check for firmware updates specific to those routers. The future of Nest cams is heading towards more resilient and self-healing devices. Google plans to fully integrate Nest cams into the Matter protocol by mid-2026. This promises seamless interoperability and reduced offline rates through decentralized networking. Expect to see more AI-driven diagnostics and predictive maintenance features that automatically detect and fix issues. Hybrid models with cellular backup, 4G, 5G, will also address Wi-Fi dependency. Proactive monitoring is key to preventing offline issues. Use the Nest app's device health dashboard to monitor signal strength and battery levels. Regularly update your router and camera firmware. Consider investing in a more reliable Wi-Fi system or a dedicated power backup for your Nest Cam. By staying vigilant and implementing these solutions, you can significantly reduce the chances of your Nest Cam going offline.